YSSAMH English. Hello, little learners. Welcome to YSSAMH English. Today, we are going to learn about something super fun in English vowels and consonants. Are you ready? Let's go. What is the alphabet? The English alphabet has 26 letters. These letters are like building blocks that help us make words. But did you know these letters are divided into two groups? Vowels and consonants. Let's find out what they are. What are vowels? Some special letters in the alphabet are called vowels. They are A-I-O-U. Can you say them with me? A-I-O-U. Vowels make words sound clear. Try saying these words with me. Apple, egg, insect, orange, umbrella. Great job! Without vowels, we wouldn't be able to say many words properly. What are consonants? All the other letters in the alphabet are called consonants. These letters work with vowels to make words. Let's try some consonants together. Say these after me. V for ball. C for cat. D for dog. F for fish. M for monkey. Vowels plus consonants equals words. Now, let's put vowels and consonants together to make words. See a T. C is a consonant. E is a vowel. T is a consonant. Together, they make the word cat. D-O-G. D is a consonant. O is a vowel. G is a consonant. Now we have dog. E-I-O-U. Vowels help in all we do. Consonants come and join the fun. Great job, little learners! Now you know about vowels and consonants. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be reading and writing like a pro. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell for more fun lessons. See you next time! YSSAMH English.